In this video, I'll be showing you how easy it is to replace the back glass of an iPhone 15. First thing we want to do is take out the two pentalobe screws with a pentalobe screwdriver. Then grab our heat plate, which is set to 90 degrees Celsius. Place the back of the iPhone 15 on the heat plate for about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, take your iPhone 15 off the heat plate. Then grab a precision knife and look to make a gap between the frame and the glass. Once you create a gap, now you can apply a little bit of 99% alcohol. Make sure it doesn't overflow, just enough to help soften the adhesive even more. Try to create another gap on the side. If it feels difficult, place it back on the heat plate for about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, grab your phone and try to create a gap on the side between the frame and the glass. Make sure your knife doesn't go deep, that way you don't cut any flex cable. Once you have a gap created, apply some more alcohol, then grab your guitar pick and slice through the adhesive, holding the back glass down. Once you get to a spot that has a crack or doesn't want to lift up, do the same process of trying to create a gap with your precision knife. Once the gap is created, apply some more alcohol, then insert your guitar pick and slice through. Keep repeating this process all around the back glass. Then keep lifting and open to the right side. Now we have it open. There's a shield holding the flex cable to the wireless charging coil. There's one screw holding it down. We need a tri-point screwdriver to take that screw out. Then lift the shield and that's out. Now I want to disconnect the flex cable to the charging coil. Back glass is out. Also take out the shield holding down the battery flex. The two screws. Make sure you always disconnect the battery when doing any phone repair to avoid any short circuits. Then disconnect the battery. We need to transfer all the components for a new back glass. First, we'll need to take out these two shields. While the one for our mic, we can take out with our tweezer and place it on our heat plate for about 1 minute. The main thing we want to transfer from our old glass to the new glass is the wireless charging coil, which is connected to the mic and flashlight. For the MagSafe magnets, I will need to transfer them to my new back glass because mine comes with the MagSafe magnets installed already. If you really need to transfer your MagSafe magnets, I'll show you how to transfer this one right here. All you need is rubbing alcohol, a precision knife. Then just like how we created a gap when we're trying to lift the back glass, we'll do the same thing and lift the magnet out. And there you have it. It's that easy. Transfer it to your new back glass. So while the back glass is on the heat plate, apply some 99% rubbing alcohol. Then with my plastic spudger, I'll look to create an opening right here to make sure I'm below the cable and the frame. Then keep going through. Apply more alcohol when you get to the mic. And for the flashlight, you want to push it out. Then that should be out. To continue taking the wireless charging coil out, we want to apply more 99% alcohol while we grab our tweezer. Then try to create some space between the charging coil and the frame. If it feels difficult, keep applying 99% rubbing alcohol. Be careful not to damage the coil. Make sure you're under the coil, as you can see here. You want to lift from below the charging coil, going around, and there you have it, it's out. Now we'll transfer this to the new back. But before we do that, we want to take out this metal piece where the mic sits on. Place it on your heat plate, grab some alcohol to soften the adhesive. Grab a precision knife to take out this metal piece, go between the glass and the metal piece. If it feels difficult, apply some more 99% rubbing alcohol and keep repeating the process. And there you have it, it's out. Don't forget to take out a filter. Transfer the filter to the new back glass. To put back the metal piece, we'll need a little bit of B7000 glue or B8000 glue. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, put back your metal piece and transfer your charging coil. Make sure it's aligned properly and everything sits down flush. Put back the metal shield to the mic. It should just snap back right in. Then put back the shield to the flashlight. Screw it down. Before installing our new back glass, you want to clean all around the edges so that the new back glass can sit down flush. Make sure you take out any glue or piece of glass sitting around the edges. Once the edges feel clean and smooth enough, you can apply some B7000 or B8000 glue around the edges. Make sure there's no leftover piece of glass left on the edges. That could damage your new back glass when you try to install it. Then grab your new back glass and connect the flex cable. Put back the shield. There are two hooks that need to be hooked. Once you have the shield hooked in, screw it down with the one screw. Then connect the battery flex and put back its shield. Also, this shield hooks in. Then screw it down with the two screws. Now I want to snap back the back glass starting from the top all the way to the bottom. Once it feels flush, screw in your two pentalobe screws. Make sure you don't forget to do this. And now you have your iPhone 15 back glass looking like new.
All the tools and parts are linked in the description below. If you want to keep going with repairs, this next video is the one to watch. It covers the exact tools you need so you're not guessing or wasting money on the wrong kit.